Let's see how you can actually build an AI chatbot powered by GPT 5.4 model and simply deploy on multiple channels like Facebook page, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, SMS, and even other channels too. So here, GPT 5.4 is released recently and it simply outperforms the existing models such as GPT 5.2 and other previous models. So here, the OpenAI has released the GPT 5.4 right here along with the pricing options as well. So they actually charge per pricing per 1 million tokens, and here you can find the pricing of the GPT 5.4 model right here. And here they have released different versions like GPT 5.4, GPT 5.4 mini, nano, and here you can find the pricing for the input, output, and other things as well. So here these are the previous models existed right there, and these are the new model GPT 5.4. So let's see how you can use AI chatbots automations powered by GPT 5.4 for your own business right here. So here I'm in a demo account and I have actually connected all these support channels right here. For example, I have connected the Facebook page, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and other channels you see right here. So if you're planning to connect any channels right here, you have to simply click on channels option over here, which will take you directly to settings over here, and it will take you to the channels tab as well, where you can easily connect a Facebook page right here. Simply log in with Facebook, and if you want to connect the Instagram account, you have to simply log in with your own Instagram account and make sure all permissions are allowed over here. So here this is a step-by-step guide on how to connect your Instagram account on our platform right here, including all these permissions allowed, and then simply choose the Instagram account and connect it as well. And if you are planning to use the SMS channel or SMS AI chatbots, then you will need to connect a phone number from Twilio. And if you click on learn more, here we have the step-by-step guide on how to connect a phone number as well. So if you're planning to use the GPT 5.4 models right here, then you also need to go to the integrations over here and choose OpenAI ChatGPT. So these models GPT 5.4 is actually created or developed by the OpenAI right here. So you have to connect the API keys from the OpenAI platform as well. So here we have already connected the API keys for the OpenAI platform, but if you're wondering how, click on learn more right here, which will take you directly to the guide on the OpenAI integration. And here you have to log in with your own ChatGPT account right here through this specific address platform.openai.com and create a new secret key right here and simply connect it on our platform. All right. So once it is done, you can actually use any sort of AI models powered by the OpenAI, including the latest GPT 5.4. Simple as that. And here you have to go to the AI hub over here and you can actually create any sort of AI agents you like. So here let me actually use the existing AI agent right here. Let's use this pest control business right here. So let me open this pest control AI agent we created before, and it says you are a customer support assistant to this particular company. Keep your responses 1 to 2 sentences. And here it simply have the instructions right here as well, along with the company information. For example, all the details about the company, the pricing information, and some frequently asked questions as well. And here they have the AI function as well. Service request. When a customer requests a quote or schedule a service or inquires about the pest control, first ask for their zip code and confirm if it's within the service area. If eligible, proceed with the request pet control service AI function to collect the necessary details. So first it will simply collect the customer's zip code and see if we service in this specific area, and then it activate the request pest control service AI function we have already created to collect specific customer details. So here within this AI hub right here, you have the option to access AI tools, where you can actually upload specific files and use that files for the AI agent responses. And you can also create AI functions to collect specific customer details as well. For example, request pest control services. So let me open this one and see what details we are collecting: name, phone number, zip code, and the type of the pest issue as well. And then we send the confirmation flow as well, and we assign this conversation to specific agents as well. All right, so that's how this particular AI agent setup look like. So here, if you're wondering how to set this specific GPT 5.4 model for this AI agent, you have to simply open this AI agent right here and click on this option. So here you have the option to choose the a specific AI model you want to respond. So let's say you want to use the GPT 5.4 nano model right here. So this is just a simple question and answering system where the GPT 5.4 nano should be sufficient right here. So we simply choose that model. But since in this demo icon we have connected other AI models like Cloud, Gemini, XAI, it shows other AI models too. So here when you have connected multiple AI models, you have the option to set the priority as well. So what is the priority? For example, it will always try to generate a response from the OpenAI GPT 5.4 Nano for the customer's question. Suppose if the GPT 5.4 Nano fails or the OpenAI fails for some reasons, then it will actually try to generate a response from the cloud platform right here. So that's the second priority. And for example, if both of these platforms, OpenAI and cloud, fails, then it will actually try to generate a response from the Gemini right here. So when you have multiple AI models connected right here, the AI response will be sent to the customers even if one AI platform fails as well. So that's also another option right here. And here you have the option to adjust the temperature as you like, max tokens and other things as well. All right, and click save. All right, so the AI agent is ready. Set this as the default agent, so it will automatically handle the customer's questions through all these support channels right here. So let's test how this actually works. So let's test this on Instagram and see how this actually works, but it will work the same on other channels too. So let me open this AI agent and let me ask some questions over here and see how this actually works. So let me share my phone screen over here. So this is the Instagram account connected over here, and let me click on send message over here, and let me ask, what are your opening hours? So here I ask about the opening hours. So they actually Monday to Saturday 7 to 7 p.m. Sundays closed. So let's see what happens. Our hours are Monday to Saturday 7 to 7 p.m. and we are closed on Sundays. Simple as that. So it simply answers the customer's question using the information we have right here. For example, we can ask some information about. So here let me send this and see how this actually works. So it should actually send us a response with all these pricing information we have right here. So it says yes, our recurring plans are basic at $69 a month or $159 every 3 months, premium this one, etc, etc. And it simply asks what's the zip code so I can confirm the service availability in the area. So here in the specific agent we have the service area as well defined with this specific areas right here. So when a particular customer send the specific zip code, it will simply check for the specific area and simply respond to them as well. So here it simply says this zip code is not within the service area right here. So here if you go to the unified inbox, you can actually track all these conversation just happened. So here in the inbox you can track all these conversation from different channels. So here you can easily filter these conversation by human, bot right here, and if you untick this one, it will show the conversation from the humans and also bot as well. So here you can also filter these conversation by the assignments as well. For example, let me assign this conversation to myself, chatting media icon over here. And now let me go back to this inbox filters over here. You can see my inbox and this conversation is already assigned to myself right here. And here let's say I will mark this conversation as follow-up for later sending a message to this specific customer, and you will see one follow-up conversation is right here. So later you can send a follow-up message, unmark this one and it's gone as well. So here in the filters you have different filters as you can see right here as well. And here if you choose all conversation, you can actually get back to the all conversation, and here you have the option to filter these conversation by specific channels as well. Only if you want to see the Instagram conversation, you can see it shows only the Instagram right here. If you want to see the messenger, you can see the messenger conversations right here. So likewise, you can easily filter these conversation by channels, assignments, and other things as well. And that's a quick video on how you can easily use the GPT 5.4 to build your AI chatbots. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.